Every Valentine's Day I try to do something different. So I know Lily likes Sichuan spicy food. So today we're going to make spicy chocolate. Shall we start?
我叫 Lily， 我来自四川广元。
I'm Tom. I'm from Belgium.
我是 chocolatier 的创始人之一。
I run my own business together with my wife Lily.
我和 Tom 是2013年认识的，所以说到今年的话是9年时间了。We met each other through friends, because I have friends from Belgium. Because Tom's family owns like a chocolate factory back to Belgium, and we said we can start chocolate business because not many people do it in Chengdu. So basically it's combined my name and Tom's name. 𝐂𝐞𝐞𝐢𝐧𝐠, chocolate, Lily and Tom. He has a good heart, and when because down the street someone begging for money, they sell the flower. He gave that little sick boy 100 kuai, and he asked that little boy just give me 2 flowers. And then that boy gave me the bunch of the flower. He said, "Did you say he is sick?" I said, "That's true," because he don't know what's going on. He just saw that little boy was coughing. To me, life is simple. I don't need something like very like adventure. Life is about small things, not about big things.
She's sweet, lovely, beautiful, cares about me and my family. Of course, I had butterflies in my stomach when I saw her. I'm a little bit like a rough diamond, and she knows me and she makes me more shiny. So she pointed things out where I should work on, and she is perfect in doing this.